friends, welcome back. Today we are going to talk about our national symbols. Our national symbols reflect our culture. So let's start. National emblem. Ashoka stump is our national emblem. National flag. Tiranga is our national flag. It has three colors. The Ashoka chakra is center of our national flag. National motto. Satyamev Jayate is our national motto. National flower. Lotus is our national flower. National game. Hockey is our national game. National fruit. Mango is our national fruit. National bird. Peacock is our national bird. National animal. Tiger is our national animal. National currency. Rupee is our national currency. National aquatic animal. Dolphin is our national aquatic animal. National song. Bande Mataram is our national song. National anthem. Jana Gana Mana is our national anthem. National river. Ganga is our national river. National reptile. King cobra is our national reptile. National tree. Banyan tree is our national tree. National vegetable. Pumpkin is our national vegetable. These are the national symbols of our India. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you.